morning vlog. I just left the condo, spent the night there. So I'm heading back to York to get some stuff done. I have an assignment to do, and I have a potluck with all my friends. So I'm making a cheesecake. That's my specialty. So I'm just getting on the bus right now. And I'm heading back to York. So vlog, just an update, and I'm here at the subway station. And on another note, I got a Tim's and I lost a roll room again. I haven't won yet. I'm like 0 for 7 now. So it's just a sad time. Rough morning. Hey vlog. So I'm just making a quick trip to Walmart. I gotta get some things. We're having a potluck tonight with all our friends. So I'm making a cheesecake. So I gotta go and get some stuff from Walmart. Let's see this thing. Jake, look at this bagel. Oh I'm looking my at god.
Let's see what you're doing, Luke.
And that's cooking with Luke.
Just the question mark falls. So just don't go near that. Oh, I swear to God. I swear to God. It kills you. It kills you. What am I supposed to do? Oh my God. Like, watch there be a block, like right in the way. Okay, I'm just gonna try and just fall. Okay. Jesus! Oh my God! I'm so frustrated. I can't even get over it. Okay. 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 Hop on here. Oh my God! What the fuck? Like, okay, so that's just out. You just don't get that. I knew I should have just walked by the boxes. I just, oh Jesus. Okay. Let me just walk by them. Let me just not mess. Wait, Benita, are you sitting next to Laura?
Yeah. Here? Okay. Whose is this? Here? Oh, you said that. Oh, I also. I think I
Never be enough.
I think it's grateful.
These hands can hold the world, but it'll never be enough. Never be